Embracing happiness at every stage of life. Chapter 1: Understanding happiness. The nature of happiness. The nature of happiness is a multifaceted concept that transcends age and circumstance, revealing itself in the cherished moments of connection, purpose, and resilience. For students navigating the complexities of education and older people reflecting on a life well lived, happiness often stems from the relationships we nurture and the communities we build. Embracing the connections with friends, family, and mentors can lead to a profound sense of belonging, an essential ingredient in the recipe for joy. Remember, happiness is not merely a destination, but a journey enriched by the quality of our interactions and the love we share with those around us. Overcoming negative thinking patterns is crucial for cultivating a happier mindset. Many students face pressures that can lead to self-doubt and anxiety, while older people may grapple with regrets or loneliness. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. Individuals can foster a more optimistic outlook by challenging negative thoughts and reframing them into positive affirmations. Techniques such as mindfulness and cognitive reframing can be powerful allies in this pursuit, enabling both young and old to discover the beauty in everyday moments and the strength within themselves. Finding purpose and passion in daily life is another vital aspect of happiness. For students, this might mean pursuing academic interests or engaging in extracurricular activities that ignite their enthusiasm. For older people, it could involve volunteering, sharing wisdom, or exploring new hobbies. Each stage of life offers unique opportunities to discover what truly brings joy. By actively seeking out these passions and dedicating time to them, individuals can create a fulfilling routine that resonates with their values and aspirations, fostering a more profound sense of satisfaction and happiness. Creating a positive home environment plays a crucial role in promoting emotional well-being. A nurturing space, filled with warmth, support, and encouragement, can be a sanctuary for students and older people. Simple changes, decluttering, decorating with meaningful items, or establishing rituals of gratitude can transform a house into a home that promotes happiness. This environment should reflect one's personality and values as a constant reminder of the joy that can be found in everyday life. By prioritizing positive spaces, individuals can cultivate an atmosphere that fosters peace and contentment. Ultimately, cultivating resilience and effective coping mechanisms is crucial, particularly during challenging times. Life will inevitably present obstacles, but how we respond to them defines our happiness. Students can build resilience through problem-solving, developing strong support networks, and practicing self-care. Older people can draw on their life experiences, sharing stories of triumph over adversity to inspire younger generations. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for both groups, providing an outlet for reflection and emotional expression. By equipping ourselves with strategies for stress reduction and maintaining a healthy work-life balance, we lay the groundwork for a joyful existence that endures through life's ups and downs. The science behind joy. Pursuing joy is not merely a whimsical endeavor, but is deeply rooted in scientific understanding. Neuroscience has unveiled how our brains respond to happiness, revealing that pleasure triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals enhance our mood and foster a sense of connection and belonging. By understanding the mechanics of joy, both students and elderly individuals can harness this knowledge to cultivate happiness in their lives. Engaging in activities that stimulate these pathways, such as spending time with loved ones or pursuing hobbies, can significantly elevate one's emotional state. Building positive relationships is a cornerstone of joy. Research consistently demonstrates that social connections are associated with increased happiness and well-being. Whether joining a community group, participating in a class, or simply reaching out to friends, nurturing these relationships can create a support network that enhances resilience against life's challenges. For students, the friendships formed during these formative years can provide the foundation for lifelong connections, while elderly individuals can find renewed purpose and joy in forging new relationships or reconnecting with old friends. Negative thinking patterns can act as formidable barriers to happiness. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, has demonstrated that reframing negative thoughts can lead to a more positive mindset. Both students and seniors can benefit from strategies that encourage positive self-talk and gratitude. Individuals can create a mental landscape that fosters joy and optimism by actively acknowledging and challenging detrimental thoughts. Simple practices can help build a happier perspective on life. Finding purpose and passion is essential for sustained joy. Engaging in meaningful activities, whether through volunteer work or pursuing personal interests, can provide a sense of fulfillment. The science of happiness suggests that individuals with a purpose-driven approach experience higher levels of satisfaction. For students, exploring various interests can lead to discovering a passion that shapes their future. At the same time, for older adults, embracing hobbies or community service can reignite a sense of purpose, enriching their lives with joy and connection. Creating a positive home environment is crucial for maintaining emotional well-being. Research suggests that our surroundings have a profound impact on our mood and overall well-being. Simple changes, such as decluttering, incorporating natural elements, or personalizing spaces with meaningful items, can transform a home into a sanctuary of joy. Furthermore, balancing work and personal life reduces stress and enhances happiness. Establishing routines prioritizing self-care, relaxation, and connection with others can create a harmonious atmosphere conducive to joy, allowing students and elderly members to thrive in every stage of life. Happiness across the ages. Happiness is a universal pursuit transcending age, connecting students and older people in a shared journey toward emotional fulfillment. For students, happiness often stems from exploration, learning, and forming new relationships, while older people may find joy in reflection, legacy, and the wisdom of years lived. Embracing happiness at every stage of life requires an understanding that joy is not a destination but a continuous journey shaped by our experiences, choices, and perspectives. This realization empowers individuals from all walks of life to seek practices that nourish their emotional well-being. Building positive relationships and social connections is a cornerstone of happiness for youth and older people. For students, friendships provide support and a sense of belonging, while older adults often cherish the bonds formed over decades. Engaging with others through shared interests and activities fosters a sense of community that enriches our lives. Whether joining a club, volunteering, or simply reaching out to friends and family, nurturing these connections can lead to profound joy and fulfillment. Making time for laughter, conversation, and shared experiences transforms ordinary moments into cherished memories. Overcoming negative thinking patterns is crucial in cultivating a happier mindset, regardless of age. Students may struggle with self-doubt and academic pressure, while older people might grapple with regrets or feelings of isolation. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. Techniques such as cognitive reframing, gratitude practices, and mindfulness can help both groups shift their focus from what is lacking to what is possible. By replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations and cultivating a mindset of abundance, individuals can unlock a more profound sense of happiness that is resilient to life's challenges. Finding purpose and passion in everyday life is crucial for maintaining happiness throughout one's life. Discovering interests and setting goals can ignite a sense of direction and motivation for students. Older adults find fulfillment in mentoring, hobbies, or volunteering, contributing their wisdom and experiences to the community. Cultivating a sense of purpose through career aspirations, creative endeavors, or acts of kindness provides joy and satisfaction. Embracing activities that resonate with one's values and passions creates a fulfilling life tapestry rich with meaning and connection. Creating a positive home environment is vital for emotional wellness and happiness at any age. A nurturing space that reflects personal values and fosters comfort can significantly impact one's mental state. For students, a well-organized, inviting study area can enhance productivity and reduce stress, while older adults may benefit from a home filled with memories and reminders of loved ones. Simple practices such as decluttering, incorporating plants, or displaying meaningful art can transform living spaces into havens of joy. Additionally, journaling emerges as a powerful tool for personal happiness, allowing individuals to reflect, process emotions, and celebrate life's moments, big and small. Students and older people can cultivate a vibrant, joyful existence by prioritizing a positive environment and embracing self-expression. Thanks for your time. See you later.